How to add Google Maps location to Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Maps. Right here at the top, search for the location that you want to add it on Instagram. Let me search for one of the location right here. Once you are on your specific location, right here you can see the option of share. Tap on it. And then tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then head over to edit profile. Tap on add link. Click on add external link. Here in the section of URL, paste the link that you have just copied from Google Maps. And once you are done, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now go back and head over to your profile. And there you can see that the location has been successfully added to your Instagram bio. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add the Google Maps location to your Instagram bio. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.